So this is the Airtel 301 rupees recharge plan where we will get 50 GB data for our existing plan, and WYNK Music Premium subscription where we can set special tune for special contacts, and the WYNK Music app will be ad free also. So okay, let's go to the WYNK app. So here we are in the HELLOTUNES section of WYNK Music app, where you can see HELLOTUNE which I have set. So this is the current HELLOTUNE which is for all callers. Okay, now here you can see a set special tune option which we are getting because of the plan that I have done recharge for. So let's click on a song and set a HELLOTUNE. Now simply you have to click on HELLOTUNE option, and after click on HELLOTUNE option, select a clip and click on set HELLOTUNE, and now you have to go to close friends option. So we will click on select contact. So I will select first 5 contacts, and here I will show you that you cannot add more than 5 contacts as per now by the WYNK app, which I am getting a notification like this, maximum limit reached. So you can only set special tunes for only 5 contacts. And then after clicking on set HELLOTUNE, here you can see your HELLOTUNE will be set, and only for those whom you have selected for special contacts. And for your other contacts, there will be a caller tune called all callers, where will be those people you have not added, and they will listen to the all callers HELLOTUNE which you have set for them, and these new contacts will hear the HELLOTUNE which you have set for them. So that was the video for special HELLOTUNES option in WYNK Music app. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, click on the like button and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.